Welcome back to our phonics class with Teacher Louise
and Teacher Nook.
Alright, so today in this period we are going to review our sounds that we have. These are the sounds that we have learned already from sets 1 and 2, and then we will add the sound g, ah, and ah for umbrella, like that, the U. Okay, so before we start, teacher, let's say hi to our friends. Okay, can you say hi to your friends? Okay, so we will be doing an attention grabber today, and it's called eyes, ears, and arms. Okay, so these are your eyes and your ears and your, what are these? Arms. Very good. So now, when you hear Teacher Louise say eyes, you will say look, but I want you to say it 3 times. So you will say eyes, look, look, look. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, can we do that one? Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, go. Eyes.
Look, look, look.
Okay, you just listen to teacher. Don't say eyes, just say look, look, look. Can we do that again?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Eyes.
Look, look, look.
Good job. Very good. Okay, next teacher will say ears, okay? And you will say listen, 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 okay? So when you hear Teacher Louise say ears, you will say listen, listen, listen. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Ears.
Listen, listen, listen.
Okay, and then the last one, when you hear teacher say arms, okay, these are your arms, arms. You will say, you will just say one time, you will say cross. Okay, so you will cross your arms, and we will get ready to listen and learn. Okay, so let's try. Arms.
Cross.
Very good, just crossed. Okay, arms crossed. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Arms.
Cross.
Just one time. Okay, so when you hear arms, one time cross. Okay, let's start from the top. Teacher will say eyes, ears, and arms. Okay, are we ready for that?
Yes.
Okay, I hope you're ready too. Okay, let's start. Eyes,
Look, look, look.
ears,
Listen, listen, listen.
arms.
Cross.
Okay, I think they're ready, teacher.
Okay. Okay, as you ready for the sounds, today we will review the sounds that we learned already. เดี๋ยวเราจะมาทบทวนเสียงที่เราเรียนไปแล้วกันนะคะ เดี๋ยวที่เชอร์จะชูการ์ดแบบนี้ให้เด็กๆดูแล้วเด็กๆจะพูดเสียงออกมาเช่น A ตัวนี้ตัวอะไรนะคะ A ตัว A นะคะเราจะพูดว่า A อ่ะไหนทดสอบซิตัวอะไรนะคะ C เราจะพูดว่า C ไม่ใช่เขอะนะคะ C โอเค Are you ready?
Teacher, they can do the action. If you know the action, if
you
you
can
can
do the
remember, you can do
action.
it as well. Okay? So please do the action and make the sound. Okay, I think they're ready, teacher.
Okay, as you are ready to learn the new sounds, today we will review the sounds. Teacher will show you the flashcard of the letter. Like you say letter A and you say A, Okay, let's review. What letter is this? C. And what sound is it? Okay, you can say the sounds and do the action. เด็กๆจำท่าได้ไหมคะเด็กๆสามารถออกเสียงและทำท่าประกอบได้นะคะโอเคนะคะเราจะเริ่มกันละโอเค 1 2 3 go A C
D
D E A เร็วขึ้นนะคะ R E M N O
teacher
ไม่ยากเลยใช่ไหมคะ
yes I want them to have can we do it again and this time I want you to do it a little bit faster okay I want more energy from this okay like that okay
เร็วขึ้นนะคะ
yes alright so
เร็วขึ้นนะคะ
one are you ready are you ready
Yeah.
okay let's go 1 2 3 go Oh, remember
Very
our
good.
letter P also. Remember your letter P? It's not pa, pa, it's pa, pa, pa. Just like blowing a candle, remember? Pa, pa, like that, okay? Do not forget that. Okay, and your T also. T, t, the ta, ta, t, t. Okay? All right, so this time, I want you to look at the interactive word, okay? So this time we will blend words from our interactive words, okay? So now teacher will ask you, what is the sound? Very good. Again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. So the sound of P is, and then this one is, and, okay. So teacher will just move the letters here, or the sounds, and then you will say it like at. Very good. Okay, can we try this one? 1, 2. Can we try this one? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. And then teacher will move it up. And what can you see? At. Sat. Next. Next. Good job. And? Very good. Okay. So this one, what is the sound again? And what is the letter? E. And letter E, the action is? Very good. And what about this? What letter is this? T. What letter is this one? T. T. And the action is? Do not forget that, okay? And then we have? Okay, are you ready to blend?
Yes!
Very good. And are you ready to blend?
Yes!
Good job. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I want at, pet. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, so we have, what letter is this? What letter is this one? I. But the sound of letter, you're right, you're correct. The sound of letter I is E. And the action is E. Okay, I know you know this one already. And I know you know this too, okay? And this one, what letter can you see here? N. And what is the sound of letter N, the sound? Okay, it's like an airplane again. Okay? And we have, of course, P. Okay, the sound is P. Are you ready now again?
Yes!
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, very good. Again, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. Oh, very good. So I know, see, you can read words already. By knowing and by learning the sounds from sets 1 and 2 and other letter sounds, you know you can read the word. Okay, very good. More practice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, again. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. Okay, next. All right, so this one, you know each sounds and you know the actions too. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Always remember the H sound is not ha. Okay, just again, the action for H is just take air out of your lungs, okay? Out from your lungs. Like that. Okay, can we do it? Okay, let's do H. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, with the action. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, can we do that one again to review? 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Good job. Okay. Hit. You use the baseball bat to hit the baseball or the ball. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I can't hear you. Can we make it more loud? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. That's it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Good. Okay, then we have, since you know the sound and the actions for these one, let's blend. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. Again, Good job. Again, 1, 2, 1. Let's do it 3 times. I want to hear you, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Excellent. Very good. Okay, so Good. 1, 2, 3, go. Again. Let's do P this time. Okay, I can still hear. Let's do P. Okay, let's review. The action is. The sound is just air coming out. Remember, imagine you think, oh, it's a candle, and then there's a light. Like when you say happy birthday to you, and you blow the candles up. But this one, you make the sound by. Okay, can we do it?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Can we do that one?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Can we do it? Okay, I want you to do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Put it here. Do not forget that, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Again. Pen. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Very good. And excellent. Good job. So we learned words ending in okay? All right. Oh, now can you remember what letter is this? Letter U. Letter U. And the sound of letter U is? Very good. Is like umbrella, okay? Umbrella, okay? So let's, and then you know N already, okay? So let's blend. Let's blend and let's make the sound and read the word, okay? So 1, 2, remember this one. What letter is this again? What letter is this? G. And the sound of letter G is G. It's like G. But the action is G. Okay, gurgle. Okay, gurgles down the drain. Okay, so let's try G. Okay, so 1, 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Okay, can we do that one, please? 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I remember because this is the first sound that we have learned. Yes, the first sound. And what letter is this? What letter? S. Very good. And the action for letter S is? Can we do that 3 times again? 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Okay? Right. 1, 2. Let's blend. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. What letter is this? F. And what is the action for letter F? And the sound of letter F is? This one, it's like air again. Okay, imagine your balloon. Okay, air coming out from your balloon. Okay, 1, 2, let's do F. 1, 2, 3, go. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so that's F. Let's blend. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah. Good job. Okay. And then, oh, this one. What letter is this? O. And what is the sound of letter O? Very good. It's like on, off, 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 off. Okay? On and off, 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 off. Okay? And then this one, oh, what letter is this? D. And the sound of letter D is? Very good. Let's do it 3 times. D, D, D. Okay, can we do that? 1, 2, 3, go. D, D, D. Very good. Can we do it here? 1, 2, 3, go. D, D, D. Oh, some are not doing the action. Can we do it again? 1, 2, 3, go. D. Oh, no need to shout. Okay, but very good. All right? So let's blend. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. Next, 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so use your fishing rod. Okay. And then, you know this one already. It ends with and g, g, g. Okay, and g, g, g. Let's blend. 1, 2, 3, go. D. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Soft. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Hard. Very good. Okay. So now, since we're done with our interactive activity, I want you to look at this super active board. Okay. Okay. So we have letter sounds here, and we have sounds as well here. Okay. So let's start. When I point to the letter, I want you to make the sound, okay? So when you see this one, when teacher points, so what's this? Sand, okay? Okay? Okay, 1, 2, let's blend, right? Are you ready to blend? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, what is the sound of A again? A, like ants, okay? Okay? And this one is okay? Egg, and okay? So, sand, all right? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Excellent. You're doing a great job. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. Okay. Now teacher will try to randomly choose the initial sound. Okay, I would choose and point to the initial sound, and I would just, for example, here, and I will point here. So saw or sin. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Oh, very good. And I know you're ready too. So let's start to blend. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. Excellent. And 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. And 1, 2, 3, go. Oi. Again, 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. Don't forget H. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Okay. Teacher Nook. Oh, Teacher Nook has an activity for us and it's called spoon and fork. So teacher, can you show them the spoon? Okay, so this is a spoon. Okay, repeat after teacher. Spoon.
spoon
Spoon.
spoon
You use the spoon when you eat. Okay, and you also have your fork. Okay, repeat after teacher. Fork.
fork
Fork.
fork
Okay, so this is a fork. You use the spoon and the fork for what? For what? For eating. When you eat, you use the spoon and you use the fork. Okay, so let's listen to Teacher Nook for our activity, okay? It's gonna be fun, okay?
เด็กๆ คะตอนนี้นะคะที่เชิดจับตัวอักษรที่อยู่บนชาร์ตนะคะสีชมพูนี้มาไว้ที่ช้อนนะคะและซ่อมที่เห็นอยู่ในมือนะคะช้อนเนี่ยจะเป็นตัวอักษรตัวแรกนะคะเด็กๆจะเห็นตัวแรกตัวอะไรนะคะ S ตรงนี้ก็เป็นตัว S เหมือนกันในช้อนนะคะส่วนในซ่อมเนี่ย Teacher Luis can you help me
Sure.
ส่วนในซ่อมเนี่ยจะเป็นตัวอักษรนะคะที่อยู่ด้านหลังนะคะประกอบไปด้วยสระนะคะเออีออะนะคะประกอบไปด้วยสระและพยัญชนะที่เป็นตัวสะกดนะคะอยู่ด้านหลัง2ตัวนะคะทีนี้เนี่ยวันนี้นะคะเราจะมาจับคู่ช้อนกับซ่อมนะคะช้อนกับซ่อมเนี่ยสามารถสลับคู่กันได้นะคะวันนี้เราจะเน้นการฝึกออกเสียงนะคะโดยที่บางคำเนี่ยอาจจะไม่มีความหมายใช่ไหมคะเหมือนที่เมื่อกี้ที่เชอร์ลูอิสอธิบายฝึกให้เด็กๆผสมเสียงเช่น the art that นะคะไม่มีความหมายแต่เราฝึกเพื่อเกิดความคล่องเมื่อเราไปเจอการออกเสียงแบบนี้ในคำที่ยาวๆเด็กๆก็จะสามารถสะกดคำและอ่านออกเสียงได้นะคะเป็นพื้นฐานที่เด็กๆจะสามารถอ่านได้เก่งนะคะเดี๋ยวทิเชอร์จะแจกช้อนและซ่อมให้เด็กๆนะคะคนละช้อน6ซ่อม6นะคะรวมเป็น12นะคะช้อนและซ่อม12เดี๋ยวเราจะทำกันที่โต๊ะนะคะเราจะนั่งแล้วก็ฟังทิเชอร์เช่นทิเชอร์บอกว่า number 1 sand Teacher Luis can you show students
So I will pick sand and I will look for the fork with
ช้อนและซ่อมก็จะคู่กันนะคะเด็กๆออกเสียงพร้อมกันค่ะ 1 2 3 go เราก็จะได้คำศัพท์แล้วเราจะจดคำศัพท์ที่เราได้มาใน worksheet นะคะในใบงานพร้อมกับวาดรูปนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะลงมือทำพร้อมกันนะคะ
Okay, so Teacher Louise and Teacher Nook has this one already, okay? We have this one. We have the spoon and our fork, and we will be distributing it to each one of you, all right? Teacher Nook?
เด็กๆจะต้องฟังทิเชอร์ลุยส์นะคะแล้วก็ถ้าทิเชอร์ลุยส์ออกเสียงไหนให้หยิบช้อนขึ้นมาก่อนนะคะเพราะช้อนจะเป็นเสียงแรกนะคะตามด้วยซ่อมนะคะเช่นคำนี้นะคะเช่นทิเชอร์บอกว่าแซนวางแบบนี้คู่กันบนโต๊ะนะคะแล้วก็พร้อมสำหรับคำต่อไปนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะออกเสียงคำที่เราวางด้วยนะคะโอเคนะคะ
Okay, so when you receive the spoon and the fork, you will put it in front of you, okay? So you can see the sounds or the letter sounds written on the spoon and on the fork.
เด็กๆเอาวางหงายวางไว้บนโต๊ะเลยนะคะทุกคู่เลยนะคะเรียงไว้ไกลๆนิดนึงนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะมีที่สำหรับคำที่ทิเชอร์ออกเสียงนะคะ
I guess they're ready, teacher. Are you ready? Okay, so please listen to teacher carefully, okay? So listen to teacher carefully. Okay, before we start, eyes. Can you remember? Eyes. Look. Oh, again. Eyes. Ears.
Listen.
Arms.
Cross.
Good job. Okay. So, first word. Listen to teacher. We have 10.
ที่เชอร์ขอเดินไปตรวจหน่อยสิคะว่าถูกต้องหรือเปล่า วางไว้บนโต๊ะเลยนะคะ
10. So the word is 10. Okay, from here. T, 10. Let's check if they got it correctly. Very good. It's 10. Were you able to match the spoon and the fork? The spoon should be t, and the fork should be 10. Okay, so N, T, 10. Let's check here. Very good. 10. T, can you? Oh, there you go. Good job.
Good job.
T, you can put it here on top. Yes, like that. Okay, and you can move this one so you can see the word. Very good. Okay, next word. Listen to teacher. Okay, this one next is sorry, hot. Okay, hot. So hot.
Now we have 2 pairs already. ตอนนี้มี 2 คู่แล้วนะคะ
Very good.
10 and hot.
Okay. Next one. Next one. Okay, next. Listen. Okay, I want you to listen very carefully, okay? So next is pen. Pen. Good job. So you're able to get the pin? Put in. Very good. Okay. Next. Next is op, mop. Op, mop. You use the mop to clean the floor. Okay? So op, mop.
เด็กๆตรวจสอบด้วยนะคะว่าเสียงแรกเนี่ยที่มีอยู่ตัวเดียวช้อนเนี่ยนะคะจะอยู่ด้านซ้ายมือเสมอนะคะเพราะเป็นเสียงที่มาก่อนนะคะซ้ายอยู่ด้านไหนนะคะด้านนี้ใช่ไหมคะซ้ายมือนะคะช้อนจะอยู่ด้านซ้ายนะคะและซ่อมจะอยู่ด้านขวานะคะเรียงให้ถูกนะคะโอเค teacher
Okay, next. Listen to teacher. The next one we have d. Okay. D. Dan. Okay, so d. Dan. One more time. Listen. D. Dan. D. Dan. Okay, the last one is sat. Okay. Okay, so I hope you're able to get that one, okay? So can we read the words? Okay, can we read the words that we have formed? 1, 2, 3, go. Start with 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, next is hot. Okay, hot. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, next is pin. Pin. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. And then next we have art. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Next one, Dan. Dan. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. All right. Okay, so what we can do next with this one, you can, for example, you will listen to teacher and teacher will say pot. so you can just change the spoon. Okay, you can transfer the spoon. Okay, so let's try. 1, 2. Listen to teacher. This one. This time it's man. 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 And then we can also do, listen, pot. Okay, so pot. I use the pot to cook. Okay, so pot. All right, next, let's try this one. Hen. Hen. Okay, teacher. I think they're ready for the next activity, teacher Nook.
กิจกรรมต่อไปนะคะที่เชอร์จะแจกใบงานให้เด็กๆนะคะใบงานนี้จะมีช่องอยู่3ช่องนะคะ1 2 3นะคะสำหรับตัวอักษรและช่องสุดท้ายเขียนว่า picture นะคะที่เชอร์จะทบทวนคำศัพท์ที่เราเรียนไปแล้วนะคะเป็นคำศัพท์ง่ายๆเช่นhen ก็เป็นรูปแม่ไก่ใช่ไหมคะเพราะฉะนั้นตรงช่องที่2นะคะเด็กๆจะต้องแยกสระตัวสีแดงมาอยู่ช่องที่2นะคะและพยัญชนะตัวสะกดตัวสุดท้ายสีน้ำเงินจะอยู่ช่องที่3นะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะรอฟังทิเชอร์ลุยส์เสร็จแล้วเราจะวางช้อนกับซ่อมตามเสียงที่ทิเชอร์บอกนะคะหลังจากนั้นเราจะดูตัวอักษรที่เราวางเช่นถ้าเป็นคำนี้ชินเราก็จะดูแล้วเราจะเขียนลงไปในใบงานที่ทิเชอร์แจกนะคะโอเคนะคะเด็กๆเรียงช้อนกับซ่อมคู่กันก่อนนะคะเดี๋ยวค่อยจับคู่ตามเสียงที่ทิเชอร์บอกนะคะเอาไปรวมกันก่อนนะคะแต่ให้หงายขึ้นนะคะจะได้เห็นตัวอักษรทุกตัว
Okay, are we ready to listen? Are we ready to listen? Oh, I can't hear you. Are we ready to listen?
Yes
Okay, let's try. Number 1. Number 1. Pen.
จับคู่เลยค่ะจับคู่ช้อนกับซ่อมวางไว้เลย
Pen.
Very
more
good
time.
here
Pen.
จับคู่แล้วเขียนเลยนะคะ
You listen, you write, and
Be
draw.
careful eggs in the pan
Number 2. Listen to teacher. Number 2. Man. Okay. Man. One more time. Man.
Like teacher Luis is a man
Very good, very good. Okay, number 3. Number 3, listen. Hot. It's hot. So, hot.
Like in Thailand when it's sunny it's hot
Okay.
so you can draw the big sun and show the picture of your hot very hot
Okay. Number 4. Number 4, listen to teacher. Pot. Pot. A pot.
pot กับ pan ใกล้เคียงกันนะคะใช้ในครัวเหมือนกัน pan แปลว่าอะไรนะคะกระทะแบนๆที่เด็กๆใช้ทอดนะคะที่คุณแม่ใช้ทอดแต่ pot คือหม้อนะคะหม้อ ก้นลึกลงไปนะคะ
Okay, number 5. Number 5, listen to teacher. Op. Hop. Again. Op. Hop. So, I like to hop, 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 up and down. You know that, right? Hop. Op. Hop. Don't forget to, very good. Don't forget to form or match your spoon. Very good gun. Okay. Spoon and fork. Okay. Number 6 this time. Number 6, listen. Off. Top. Okay. So, off. Top.
top ภาษา top
Top.
อ๋อ top
You play with the top.
and
Okay,
it
it spins around when you tie with a rope and then you put here and then you swing it on the floor and then it will spin. Okay, that's a top. Or maybe the new version you just put t-shirt and then grab. Okay. But my version was the old version. Okay. Top. Yes. Very good. That's a top. And match, don't forget to match your spoon and your fork. Top. Okay, number 7. Number 7. Okay? Number 7, listen to teacher. Hot. Hot.
Oh teacher what is the hut
Oh, a hut is a house, a small house. Sometimes it is made of straw or some palm leaves. Okay, it's a small house. It's a hut. When you go camping, some camps have huts.
เด็กๆจำเรื่องลูกหมู3ตัวได้ไหมคะลูกหมูตัวที่1สร้างบ้านจากอะไรนะคะฟางนะคะฟางสร้างเป็น hut นะคะ hut ก็คือกระท่อมนะคะเล็กๆนะคะส่วนมากมักจะอยู่ในสวนในทุ่งนานะคะ yes
And the last number, oh, it's very easy. You're very familiar with this one, okay? So this one, the last number is, listen to teacher. Eh. 10. One more time. Eh. 10.
number 10
Okay, so before we end our class today, teacher, I want you to, since you're done writing and you have formed words, this time I want you to read the words that you have written, okay? So I want you to read the words that you have written on your worksheet. Okay, so let's start from number 1 to number 8. Now when you read, I want you to blend, make the sound, and then read the word. Like for example, number 1, we have eh. Pen. Okay, so you start from number 1 until number 8. Are we ready?
yes
Yes, I bet you're ready. Okay, are we ready? Yes. Oh, very good. Let's start from number 1 to number 8. 1, 2, 3, go. Eh. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
again teacher
Again, 1,
Number
2.
6.
Number 6. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hot. Hot.
1, 2, 3, go.
10.
Oh, so you have learned a lot or plenty of words today. All right. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Teacher Lu and Teacher Louis.
Okay, let's say goodbye to our friends.